Yoga for stress management. Have you ever contemplated the profound impact of yoga as a tool for managing the stress and chaos of our daily lives? Stress is an almost constant companion in the modern world, affecting our mental and physical well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of yoga for stress management, we delve into the transformative world of yoga, unveiling the secrets of how this ancient practice can be your sanctuary for relieving stress and finding inner peace. Get ready to embark on a journey that leads you to a tranquil space where you can learn to manage stress, enhance your resilience, and cultivate a calmer and more harmonious life. 1. The stress epidemic. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the prevalence of stress in our lives, affecting our health, relationships, and overall happiness. 2. The essence of yoga. Yoga is more than just physical postures. We'll delve into the core principles of yoga, encompassing mindfulness, breath, and holistic well-being. 3. Mind-body connection. Yoga thrives on the mind-body connection. We'll explore how yoga practices facilitate a deep understanding of this connection, allowing you to better manage stress. 4. Stress-relieving asana. Certain yoga poses are particularly effective in relieving stress. We'll discuss postures that release tension and promote relaxation. 5. The power of breath. Breath control is integral to yoga. We'll uncover the transformative potential of pranayama, breathwork, in managing stress and anxiety. 6. Mindfulness and meditation. Yoga incorporates mindfulness and meditation practices that encourage you to be present in the moment, reducing stress and promoting mental clarity. 7. A lifestyle of balance. Beyond the mat, yoga encourages a balanced lifestyle. We'll explore how diet, sleep, and daily routines are essential components of stress management in yoga. 8. The journey to inner peace. In conclusion, yoga for stress management is a testament to the fact that yoga is more than a physical exercise, it's a holistic approach to finding inner peace. It's not just about relieving stress, it's about embracing a transformative journey towards emotional and physical well-being. As we embark on this journey into the world of yoga for stress management, you'll discover that yoga is your sanctuary, a place where you can release the burdens of stress, and find the serenity and resilience that enables you to navigate life's challenges with grace and tranquility. It's a journey of self-discovery, healing, and inner peace, one breath at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.